Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a gallery in Webflow. First, let's set up the basic structure. Start by dragging a new section onto your canvas. Then, decide on your layout. CSS Grid is excellent for precise control, or Flexbox works well for simpler arrangements. Define your grid's columns and rows, perhaps 3 columns for a classic look, and place it within a container for better page flow. Now that your structure is ready, let's add some images. Simply drag an image element into each grid cell or Flexbox item. Upload your high-quality photos directly into Webflow's asset panel. Remember to optimize your images for faster loading times, aiming for file sizes under 100 kilobytes. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text for improved accessibility for all users. With your images in place, it's time to make your gallery look great and work everywhere. Apply consistent styling like a subtle border or a slight shadow to each image. Adjust their sizes and aspect ratios to maintain a uniform look. Crucially, use Webflow's responsive design tools to ensure your gallery adapts beautifully across desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, providing a seamless experience for everyone. To elevate your gallery, let's add some interactive elements. A lightbox component is perfect for allowing users to view images in full screen. Simply link each gallery image to the lightbox, creating a smooth viewing experience. You might also add subtle hover effects or animations to make your gallery more engaging. For larger collections, consider implementing filtering options to help users navigate your content easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.